Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to download view only PDF file from Google Drive, and also I will show you the error that you are unable to copy paste in your browser. So let's start. First of all, you will see here I have a file, this one. If I double click on that, and you will see here I don't have any download option. Okay, so first of all, open, the main thing is you have to open in your Firefox. Okay, second thing, after opening, press F12 from your browser, and now here you will see in console option, you have to come here in console. Okay, and then scroll down up to the last page, and then here in this area you have to delete this. Okay, so I have a code I have given in link in this description. Simply copy and paste it. Okay, after that press enter, and you will see my file is downloaded. Now if you are unable to paste here, you are getting error here in this area. So what you have to do is open an empty tab and write here about config, press enter, about config. Okay, accept the risk and continue, and then search here dev tools dot self, and you will see self fxss count. Click on edit and add 100 value, and then click on OK and restart your browser. Remember, you must have to restart your browser, and after that you will able to copy paste here. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.